Hi guys, and welcome to another Bootstrap 4 video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, here we are. We've built this Bootstrap 4 website. We built it from scratch. We just created a folder, a root folder, then built all our pages, built a CSS file and added some images. A lot of people have asked me where I got my images from. I'll cover that in just a moment. I'll just take you a tour of the site because we're creating a playlist for you so you can build any aspect of this site without having to watch all the way through the series. So we build it with our brackets text editor here. Any text editor will do for this series if you want to build a site. If you don't have one, this one is free. You can download it from a link below. It's got some great features, but any text editor will do. Okay, so we made this Bootstrap site with a home page here with an automatic slider. You can also do it manually. We've got some text columns. We've got a pre-footer with some quick links, a live Google map, some font awesome icons, and a footer with our logo again at the bottom. And we've done our about page with our team members section and a little gallery there, some columns, pre-footer, footer, pricing section. We've just got a little carousel at the top there this time. And like I say, any of these sections, the header, the carousel, the pricing tables, you can go to the individual video for it. You don't have to watch the whole series. Some partner logos. The pre-footer, you can just watch the one that you want to build that particular section here. Little services section, we're using our font awesome again here. Again here with some custom built little sort of blurb modules. Features page with some little pop-up modal type boxes there. Media list, an accordion, and all this is very easy to do. And we built a contact page again using some of our font awesome icons, and we built a working contact form, uploaded it to a live hosting site, added the PHP file we needed and tested this out. We've also got a full width live Google map on this page. And we've created a playlist for you. I'll put this link down below so you can watch any of these individually if you want to build any aspect of this or add it to your existing site. But to get back to the question, where did I get my images from? Well, most of them for this site came from a site called Unsplash, and it's fantastic for free photos, free stock photos, and the images are great. You can type in what you want. I think I might have typed in laptops or something to search for images for this, and you find whatever one you like. And simply hit the little down arrow. I'm using Google Chrome here, and it'll download it for you. Now just bear in mind, you can say thanks on Facebook or Twitter. Some of them have a thing where you can give them a donation if you can afford to, but they don't require it usually. But once these are downloaded, be careful when you put them into your site because they're really high resolution. So you might want to take them down. I find 1920 or so wide is enough for most. You can go higher if you want to, but anything you can do to keep file sizes down is always better. Another great site for stock photos is a site called The Stocks. And again, I'll put this link down below. And it's got a whole load of pages on here. Now if we look at the top, Shutterstock is featured, iStock's featured. Those are premium sites. You're going to have to pay for images on those, But Pixabay, I think you got some free on there. A lot of these, most of these are free. Some of them ask you to do a tweet or something like that. One of my favorites, well, there's Unsplash right there included in this site too. One of my favorite is Pexels, this one right here. And again, type in what you want. And with these, you click on it to sort of preview it, and you can, this site, you can choose the size. So you see the original size is pretty big, 6,000. I tend to grab the large, the 1920 by 1281 or 1280. That usually works for everything that I need it for. For smaller background images, you obviously grab smaller ones. Anything to save a bit of space. So there you have it. There's two sites where you can get an awful lot of stock photos. So I hope that answered your question. And like I say, if you want to build this site, have a look at the playlist. We'll have this playlist down below. So I hope you enjoy watching this series of videos. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.